Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sunshine Motel. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located just off Interstate 5, this Fife, Washington hotel is 2 miles from the Emerald Queen Casino. It features rooms with free Wi-Fi access and on-site laundry facilities. A microwave and a refrigerator are included in every room at Sunshine Motel. They are equipped with an iron and ironing board and also have cable TV with HBO. The front desk at Motel Sunshine is staffed 24 hours a day. The motel is air-conditioned and pet-friendly. The Tacoma Art Museum is 3.4 miles from the motel. SeaTac International Airport is 17.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.